Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Yes, Subhash. Kumar, so what is your question? Let us discuss about that and we'll try to finish it out. I worked out the problems and then only I send it to you. So what question do you have in that thing?
Sir, actually, I've asked about the portions for tomorrow's test, sir.
Portion for tomorrow's test, whatever I worked out, and I send it to you. It will be coming only on that. I don't want to tell the question, but it will be coming on that, only related to that. Each and every, I worked out some problems and then lot of things I have given it in the back of that thing. Based on that, you need to work it out. Yes?
Okay, sir.
You work it out.
Okay, sir.
It will be only in that. It will not, because there are a lot of problems now. I don't know how many of you worked out it. Each and every thing I have given a lot of problems. If you work out those things, that itself is fine. So, do you have any questions in that problem? You are not able to understand, please let me know. I hope everyone received that material, whatever I sent it to you.
Yes, sir. Last time you have sent that Laplace theorem. Question related to Laplace. Last time you sent. No?
Last one is Laplace.
Yes, sir. And
Yes,
before
sir.
that, we also received that differential equation.
Differential equation is the second one.
Yes,
sir. Differential equation, whatever I send it to you. Yeah, that's more than enough, I think. That's more than enough. I don't know how many of you worked out those problems. Just to try to work it out. This thing, partial differential equations, I'm not going to ask it for this internal. So only the general integral calculus, it will be there, not Laplace also. It will be in the internal calculus. All of them will be a simpler problem only. So whatever I scanned it in the first PPT, that max 1 I have sent it to you. Most of the question will be in that thing. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I'm going to give you some 5 questions. Out of 5 questions, you can write any 4 questions. 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. Okay? It's for 20 marks. You can get 20 marks easily because it is mathematics. I can't reduce any marks. You are telling that you are going to write the test tomorrow. Am I right?
Yes, sir. From 3 p.m. to 4 p.m.
Sir.
Yeah, it is more than. It's too much for you. The problems will be very simple. If you look into the first PPT, the problems are very simple. So I am going to ask only in that thing. If you just go through that thing, that is more than enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So if you have questions, just now itself I will clear it. If you tell me which PDF you are having problem, I will tell you or I will teach you. Because Subhash sent a mail to me. Not only for Subhash, I am just telling each and everyone. Whatever you want, I will clear it now itself. So just
Sir,
leave it.
not any doubt as
Yes, yes.
sir, but like if you send the final answer so that we can check whether we have solved correctly or not.
What is it?
Sir, answers for the question, unsolved questions, so that we can check we have solved the right way or not.
For the work, for the exercise problems.
Yes, sir.
Oh, come on. I have given more than 6. The exercise problems will be coming around more than 100. Based on the worked out problem, you need to follow the same principle for the exercise. Okay? It's simpler one. I don't know why you are asking. Okay, whatever the first one I have written it, I don't know which one you want the answer for it.
So, third unsolved exercise of integration.
Page number? Just tell me the page number in that. Max 1 or 2? That PDF
So,
file,
Max
which one?
1.
One, which
PDF
page?
1.
Yeah, 1.
So, like I have to open.
Up to 6 problems I worked it out, and the rest I have sent it as a homework. It's around 40 problems are there. And then the next one I have worked it out, and then I have given you some 12 problems. And then decomposition method I worked out some 6, 7, 8 problems, 9 problems. And then I have given you somewhere around 25 problems to work it out.
Yes, sir. Answer for those just to check whether I have solved correctly or not.
No, answers will be coming. That is okay. What answers you got? Tell me now. For which problem? Or otherwise, if you send the PDF or scan it and send to me, I will go through it step by step and then find out where you've done the mistake.
Okay, so like if by evening I'll send.
Huh?
By evening I'll send, sir.
Okay. So you work it out and then only you will come up with something now. Then only I can check it out. So in the last, in the page of that first PPT, first PDF file, whatever I send it to you, everyone is having a PPT, PDF file. Yeah, you
Yes,
can
sir. Yes, sir.
file and just
Yes, sir.
look into the problem, 7th problem, root of 1 plus sine 2x dx. So you have taken that problem in your system.
Yes, sir.
Integral root of 1 plus sine 2x dx. How I splitted that? Is anyone who can tell me that thing? I have written as root of 1 plus sine 2x dx. I need to integrate it. But I convert that into 2 terms in the next step. How I converted? Do you have any idea about that?
Yes, sir. That one term is sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. so we can replace that.
Exactly. Yeah. Sin square
And
theta or sin square A or sin square B, whatever. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
one.
That
Yes,
is one term. And another one is sin 2x. Sin
that is
2x, this is off angle formula, they will tell that. That can be written as 2 sin A cos B. Okay. So that's how I converted. And finally, I have taken it in the form of a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that can be written as cos x plus sin x the whole square. If you take the root out, then it will become cos x plus sin x. And then you can integrate it separately. Finally, integral cos x dx plus integral sin x dx. So cos x will become, the formula is there, sin x, and then sin x will become minus cos x plus c. That is the answer. Okay.
yes, sir.
And if you come to that 9th problem, or otherwise the 8th problem is given as x cubed plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into dx. There I added 1 and subtracted 1 in the numerator. That is x cubed minus 1 plus 3 divided by x minus 1. But the real thing is, it is always x cubed plus 2. I have taken it in the form in order to make some modification so that the integrables will become simpler, so that it will be easier for me to integrate it. So I have separated it x cubed minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 3 by x minus 1. So that can be written as x cubed minus 1, or otherwise a cubed minus b cubed. So the formula for that is x minus 1 into x square minus x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 3 by x minus 1. So one of the term is going out, and then finally we can separate this into a simpler form and we can integrate it easily. So that is x square dx plus x dx plus dx plus 3 by x minus 1 into dx. So if you integrate these terms, then you will get x cubed by 3 plus x square by 2 plus x plus 1 by x minus 1, or dx by x minus 1 can be written as log of x minus 1 plus c. That is the answer for that. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Only from Subhash, I think. What happened to Sadia Sakil? Sadia is not here, huh? She already left. Huh? What about Amal? Yes, Raj.
So I understood, sir.
You are able to understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then it is fine. But I'm not able to get anything from Sadia Sakil, who already raised some questions. What happened to Nishi Prabhagar?
Yes, sir.
You are able to understand, or you are having any question with this?
I understood.
Okay. Chandan Kumar is here, or?
Yes, sir.
You are there, yes. You are having any question?
No, sir. Understood, sir.
Then who else? Chandini, you got clear with this thing or okay. Okay. The other problem, if you come down, that is the next one is cos 2x by sin square x cos square x. Just you need to make sure to make it in a simpler form. Cos 2x, how you can write that thing? I have written it as cos square x minus sin square x. Is it right or wrong? How I wrote that cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x. Anyone can tell how come I have written it as cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x. That thing is very important. Unless if you are not working it out, it's not so easy to finish the problems on time. Okay? I have written as cos square x minus sin square x. So why I have taken that is a square minus b square. Then it will become the form of a plus b into a minus b. Because in the denominator I am having sin square x cos square x. So I need to reduce that thing. So for that only I converted in that form. And then I have written it as cos square x by sin square x cos square x. And then I brought it separately. One of the thing is 1 by sin square x and another one is 1 by cos square x. So finally it becomes cosecant square x minus secant square x. And if you look into the integral formulas, it will become cot x and tan x. First, for that you need to find out whether cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x or not. I hope everyone is having some mathematics background.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then you need to know these formulas. So based on this worked out problem only, I have given the problem for you to work it out based on the above worked out example. So that you will be thorough with your mathematics formula, the integral formulas will be thorough.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then any question from this or in the maths second period you are having any question? don't hesitate, don't worry, because you may forget something. Because after getting more into biology, mathematics you forgot. But mathematics is very important. All these basic sciences are very important. So if you are going for further studies, basic sciences are very important. What about Satish? Satish is not having any question, huh?
No, sir, I don't have any question.
Okay. I hope you will get 100 tomorrow.
Sir?
100 marks tomorrow. Basic problems, I am going to ask only the questions from basic problems. Don't worry, I hope everyone
Sir,
will get 20 out of 20. Mathematics, I can't reduce mark or anything. If it is theory oriented, I can reduce marks. But regarding mathematics, I need to give full marks. Okay, try to get more marks. What about Vishal Giridhari?
Yes, sir. No problem, sir.
No problem. Okay. What about girls? I think Navarasi is there.
Yes, sir.
You are not having any question.
No, sir. Dear.
Okay, I hope everyone will get 20 out of 20 tomorrow. Matanki, Megha, Hema Kasturi, Vidya Bharat. Megha, yes, tell me.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
Okay, thank you. What about others? Matanki is there, Hema Kasturi is there, Vidya Bharat is there.
Understood, sir.
It is fine. Try to work out the problems, whatever I have given it to you, just to make sure you will be memorizing the formulas. That is the ultimate aim of giving that many problems to work out. If you work out all those problems, you will be thorough with the formulas. Then whatever the question I ask, immediately it will come. I have collected almost all the problems. If you work out all the problems I have given, I am pretty sure you can do any problems, work out any problems related to this integration. Forget about partial differential equation. Partial differential equation, just for your thing, I have given it to you. Where you are going to apply, if you are going to study more about systems biology. Because where we are converting almost all the biological things into mathematical equations, there we are bringing partial differential equations. So that you are converting the biological system into mathematical format. And then whatever you want, you can do it. You can play around with those things, but I'm not sure. Once you are back, we will try to find it out. You can do a lot more work with that thing, the system biological approach. I don't know how many of you are familiar with MATLAB or Mathematica.
Sir, MATLAB, I know.
MATLAB, you know. Any one is fine, MATLAB or Mathematica.
And instead of Mathematica, I am learning at Octave.
Oh, you are using Octave. Okay, that's
Yes,
that's
sir.
good. Yeah. That's pretty good. Just you can bring those things to convert our biological system into mathematical equations, and then you can solve it and find out which gene is playing or which protein is playing a vital role.
Yes, sir. Sir, both are only based on mathematical. They both are helping for the mathematics.
Yeah, nowadays it's not necessary for you to learn all the mathematical equations or any other thing. If you know this software, that is more than enough.
Yes, sir. That I know that.
Then it is fine. Just you can build your model, whatever the model, or you know about the networks or pathways.
That system biology pathway, right? Sir?
Yeah, biological pathways, you can take it out and then you can convert that into mathematical equations, and then you can solve the mathematical equation.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And if you solve the mathematical equation based on Michael-Mendes calculation, the kinetics, because already there are a lot of data will be there.
Yes, sir. That enzyme kinetics part.
What is it?
Enzyme kinetics part.
Kinetics. Kinetics part, you can bring it into mathematical equations. And from pathway, I am telling, from pathway, you are doing the kinetics calculation. Going back to the pathway, I am talking about that network pathways. You can take any one of the protein out, and then you can once again convert them into mathematical equations. And if you calculate the result, it needs to give you the previous result, means then that particular protein is not having any role in your pathway. Like that you can analyze it. Okay? So that is one of the advantage of that. For that only we are learning this basic mathematics.
Actually, sir, I have learned about MATLAB, but I haven't done this type of work with MATLAB and Octaves. I'm just learning that language.
That is fine. MATLAB, it's what you call it, it is a separate one. So just you play around with that. Now, MATLAB is far better than Mathematica, I think. Everything
yes, sir, but MATLAB having some issues, like license issues. It is not free of cost.
You are having a pirated version.
Yes, yes, sir, I have pirated, but for that, I'm using that Octaves now.
Okay, when you are going for publication purpose,
yes,
you
sir.
need to give the reference for that.
Yes, sir, that is a major problem.
Yeah, then you will be ending up with a lot more problem. You can't do or MATLAB, whatever you are having as a pirated version, okay?
Yes, sir.
Rest of the things, if you come here, we are having a license for Mathematica, I think. Here in the university, we are having the license for that. Here you can use it.
And what about, sir, MATLAB?
MATLAB, previously I used to have, but now we are not having it because of the license. But pirated version everywhere is there.
Pirated version I also have, but
Everywhere is there, but Mathematica only we are having the license.
So that is why that Octave is a good source.
Yes,
yes, sir, because that is free of cost. No?
Yeah, you can use it. But if you are using some of the online free softwares, you can't do certain calculations because they want to make money. So up to certain things you can access it. The rest of the things you need to pay and buy it. But if it is in the case of Mathematica, the institute is having the license for that, then you can use almost all the things. So just to play around with whatever the pirated version, not only Bablu, I am telling you, to the whole class, just to play around with all these softwares. These are all pretty good, especially the statistical package R. That's also a pretty good one. Try to play around with that. Then only you can come up with a lot more ideas. Okay? I think you are at home, you are having a lot more time. If you are on campus, you will be loaded with too much work. But since you are attending online classes, you are not having that much work. Try to play around with this software. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, yes, Amal. Any question from anyone? Matangi, you are having some question, huh?
No, sir.
Okay. Just play around with almost all the softwares. I already told you to download this Cytoscape, either resell or resell, so that you can model your thing and then you can do whatever you want and find out whether it is working or not. I know the practical difficulties also. You can't do that much thing with a laptop. Just play around and then find out. Once you, I hope everyone will be back here. I'm waiting for that.
Sir, what I used to say, and the major problem is that we don't know how to validate our result, how to validate the output result.
Yeah, that is another big problem. I agree
Yes,
with you.
sir.
That's what I'm telling you now. Just you can play around with
So
that.
for that, we need someone who can guide us and who can give advice for.
I will make some arrangement, even though if you are in the next semester also, if you find time, just send a mail to me. I will make some arrangements with our research scholars. I hope they will be back in as quick as possible because vaccination programs are pretty strong throughout the country. Everywhere it is going on. Once these students get vaccinated, they will be here at any time. At that time, I will make some arrangement. Okay.
Yes, sir. That would be very good for us if you could.
I will try to make the arrangements. Actually, during this time itself, I contacted some of the company guys where you can find the real application, how to make libraries for this MGS related experiments and all those things. But it's not so easy to bring them online. So I'm trying to make those things so that it will be available to you. What are the other things where you can go and find out a lot more jobs? For that only I'm trying what the company expects from you. I'm trying.
Sir,
I try to find. Yes.
sir, actually, I have seen some of the doctor in Jeepmar. They are doing very good research. So, can we collaborate with them and work? And is there any procedure to work there for the student?
Yeah, you are most welcome to do that.
So, can we get recommendation from our department and
Sure.
go and work there?
Yeah, once you get, if you know the doctors pretty good, then it is easier. Otherwise, Jipmer never opens door for outsiders.
Yeah, but that is in university campus, I think.
No. Jipmer is entirely different campus. We are in exactly in a different place. It is
Okay.
more than 12 to 15 kilometers, 12 kilometers from here to Jipmer. We are located on the coastal side. Our university, our physical address is exactly opposite to Bay of Bengal. The sea is very near to us. Just, But if you look into Jipmer, it is around 12 kilometers. You need to go towards the town. From the town, it is a little bit above. Okay? So it's far away from our place.
Actually, sir, I just wanted to analyze the live data. I mean, so whatever doctor are getting, like corona data. And,
That's what I'm telling you now.
yes, sir.
If you are having a very good relationship or very good contact with the doctor, it is fine. But it is not so easy to get the samples or the data from them.
But at least we can collaborate, no?
No, whatever the collaboration also,
Okay.
that is not a easier thing. So just to think about that and have a, if you are having some relatives there, it is fine.
Okay, sir, I understand, sir.
Because those are all real data. Wherever you send, they will publish it. It's easy for us to publish if we are having the clinical data.
Yes, sir, that is why I am asking.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. But they are not ready.
Because downloading the data from the data set, there are so many issues. Having we can face the license issues, copyright issues. So it's better to work with the doctors.
Yeah, that is the big problem here. Because they want to concentrate more on clinical side and they are not spending that much on research. If they are ready to do that, our hands are free to collaborate. Okay?
Sir, so if they are not doing any research, so we can do research for them. But if they are ready to give the clinical data,
that's what I'm telling you. You are ready to go and do. But if they are ready, it is fine. From our side, we are not having any problem.
okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, then I will mail them and will try to contact, let's say.
It is fine. Now, I'm not only telling Bablu, I'm telling to the whole class, I'm talking to the whole class that you are most welcome to do collaboration with anyone. Just to explore more. That is very important.
Because I read some paper from the JIPMER. They have very good research work in pharmacogenomics.
Yeah. But now Adityan is not there.
Sorry, sir, I could not hear it.
Professor Adityan used to be there. Now he retired.
Okay, I think I read his paper only. Yeah. His work is very good.
For the pharmacogenomics, I have given it and a PPT. Whatever I have told you, no, it is only from him.
Okay.
Pharmacogenomics work he has done pretty good, but now he retired. So that is the problem. If they are ready to give the samples, then it is okay. Okay, any other questions related to mathematics? Then you will write the test tomorrow afternoon 2 p.m. Huh?
3 p.m. sir.
3 p.m. Then it is fine. Okay, there is no question. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.